Welcome to the outdoor learning space at 69 Fitzjohns Avenue in Hampstead. It's highly likely that these were once beautiful gardens for a large house. The buildings have been a number of educational establishments, such as Queen's House School, which opened in 1947, followed by St Godric's College. It now houses the playground and outside learning area at Devonshire House School. I'm now going to talk you through the trees and plants in the outside learning space. We start with this shrub called the California privet. It is toxic when eaten and it is a perennial plant. It has white flowers and the leaves can be yellow and green. It has a berry which is black. On the left here we have the common hazel. It's a deciduous shrub species that is cultivated for its edible nuts. It is perennial and has green, yellow and red flowers. The leaves are yellow and green. On the right here is a magnificent West Indian mahogany. It's a hardwood tree and it can grow up to 34 metres tall. It's a really ecologically valuable tree with water purification properties and the ability to absorb carbon from the atmosphere. It is non-toxic to humans. This tree produces green flowers and quite large brown fruits or seeds. It is a stunning tree that dominates our forest area. Here is an example of a great laurel. Another example of a toxic when eaten. It is a perennial shrub which can have pink, white or purple flowers. The leaves stay green. We can also see some common ivy which is found all around the outside learning space. It is a common climber found in Europe. It is considered a weed and is also toxic when eaten by humans. This is the northern spice bush, part of the laurel family. It is a perennial shrub which has green or yellow flowers, yellow and green leaves. Next we have the saucer magnolia. It's a hybrid magnolia tree native to Europe. It is a perennial tree which has amazing pink, white and purple flowers that bloom in the spring. Here on our right we have the common yew. It is a medium-sized evergreen tree. Every part of this tree is poisonous. On the left here, hidden within the bay tree, is a European beech, a large deciduous tree often used for ornamental purposes. Its leaves can be brown, green, red, yellow, gold and orange. On the right is an eastern hemlock. It is a perennial tree which has yellow and green leaves. Here we see a really developed and large bay tree, part of the laurel family. It is a perennial tree shrub which can have green, yellow and white flowers. The leaves are yellow and green. Here is a Japanese laurel. It's toxic when eaten by humans. It is a shrub and it is perennial. It can have red and purple flowers and the leaf colour is yellow and green. Right in front here you can see a magnificent oriental plane. It is a deciduous tree that can grow very, very tall as 24 metres. It is a perennial tree and its leaf colours are green. The tree stump to our left is the common holly. It's an evergreen tree, recognised by the characteristic shape of its leaves and bright red berries. It can have green and white spiky leaves and its berries are red. Here we can see a paper plant, which is a shrub. It is perennial. It grows white flowers and its leaves are green. It has leaves with 8 lobes resembling a hand. The sap from this plant might cause allergies to certain people, so it must be handled with caution. At the back here by the fence is an elder tree. It's a shrub, it's perennial, and it grows berries. Birds love the berries.